Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. So this is a late video, it's currently 10:47 p.m. Eastern time, but I thought maybe it makes sense to make a video on ticker symbol XELA, which is for Zela. And chart wise, it is looking really nice. So that is why I'm here to talk about it. I'm going to talk about few recent news, then the chart, support, resistance, the option activity. And if you find this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So you can see that Zela was up almost 10.5% today. Even after hour, it is up 2.2%. If you look at the last 5-day chart, you can see since Tuesday it has been moving higher. So nice move, especially end of the day yesterday it moved really nice, and whole day it moved. So we did play Zela for last few days. This is always like a play, we keep this on our watch list. And as an example, today, like we were prepared for this, right? In the morning. And before that, like, let's have a look how the chart is looking. It came down a lot. I will talk about it. Seems like it is about to break out, because once it goes over 0.9495, it is gonna run, because there are more upside. But today, how we played this particular one, I just want to explain so that you know how we played it. So in the morning, you can see that it was right around here. It came down, which was yesterday's previous high, 0.72. It came around 0.72, and whole day it moved all the way, right? From 0.72, it moved all the way to 0.94, which is for 29-30% profit. So in the morning, we always come up with a list with different ticker symbol with entry exit. So Zela was something, you can see that it came, it moved almost 25-26%. The other one we did today was ticker symbol HYMC. From our entry of 0.75, this thing moved almost 154%, one of the monster move. So if you like this kind of early alert with entry exit chart and everything, so give a try. Join my Patreon, the link will be in the description and also in the first comment. Join my Patreon, get access to my Discord, so that we can all make some money together. So anyway, I'm not going to talk about the old news, but the important thing is Zela, they are going to have their fourth quarter and full year 2021 financial result conference call is coming on March 11th. Okay, so tomorrow is March 11th, which is Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern time, which will be the market hour. So we will see about the earning and everything. Many people have very good expectation about Zela earning. We will see. Also, if you look at few previous news which came March 8th, that they announced their management and directors tendering Exela common stock into preferred stock. So that was a good news, and Zela has been moving for last few days. The other news came on March 7th. They agrees to exchange with revolving lenders. So back to back, they are having some kind of news, right? In terms of the volume, you can see that the average volume was 27 million and today's volume was 82 million. So lots of volume coming, almost 3-4 times volume are coming. In terms of the daily volume, still we are lagging a lot. You can see July beginning we were having 400-500 million volume. After that, volume died. Recently some volume came over 250, but now we are getting consistent volume for last few days. Let's have a look on a closer scale for the volume. So if I go down here, or maybe I just go back to a monthly chart, you can see that for last few days it has been getting volume. So tomorrow is earning, and definitely I always say earning is a gamble. I never know, but you can see more volume. It can go up, it can go down. In terms of the short interest, the short interest is only 6.59% as per Fintel. The off-exchange short volume ratio is 50%, which is really high. So let's go back to the chart now. So how the chart is looking. So I want to start with 1 hour chart, and let's have a look. Maybe start with a daily chart if you have no idea about Zela. So this stock, you can see that how it moved, right? So we played this particular one at one point. It was 0.2, 0.9, right? It went all the way to $7-8, came down again. It went to $5, came down, and since then it has been just continuously coming down. If you just draw a line, you can see that it has been coming down. It tried to break, but again it is moving sideways. So still you can't say the downtrend is over, but if you look on this side, maybe you can say it is trying to make higher lows. but we have to see. The important thing is it has much more room on the upper side, because you can see $2 area, you can see 2.5, $3, but now it is hitting important resistance. And when I see important resistance, look around these areas. So instead of daily, now I want to go back to hourly chart just to give you the flavor. So what you can see, this particular area 0.94, 0.95, last time it came here twice, it got rejected. So again we are hitting the same place, we got rejected. So really we need a good earning with lots of volume so that we can break through this particular barrier and we go up. We test $1, then we have something around 1.3, then we have 1.6, and so on. But if we don't see a volume, it might come down. So we need volume, we have to break through this particular resistance. Now, if you're planning to make a trade on Zela, and just to mention that, like, if you're part of my community, especially part of my Discord community, each morning we alert different ticker symbol. Here you can see dated alert, different things come here. We talk about the idea when to get in, when to get out. Like you see today at 8:39 a.m. we said about the entries, the exit, and everything, right? So give a try. I always update in the morning. I come on live and I talk about the chart just to see what will be the play we should be playing together. Okay, so just based on the chart, what you can see here, that it had a nice support around 0.86, so it came and held the 0.85, 0.86 area. Now it is trying to go back up. It might hit the resistance around 0.9. So if it can go over 0.9, definitely it will hit the area around 0.94. I'm gonna update this, so let's say around 0.94. On the other hand, if it cannot hold 0.85, look for the entries around 0.8, then we have 0.72. So look for these areas, because pre-market things can change. The earning will might impact, so you have to play as per the news and the chart. If you want to play with call option, and some people I know they love Zela for long term, and whenever it came to 30 cent, 40 cent, they loaded lots of call options. So the stock came from 40 cent to 80 cent, almost doubled, but in terms of call option they are making a lot of money. Look at the nearest call expiration date, 18th of March. For one strike, 48,000 open interest here, right? So they are beating for a break even of 1.06. So they are still very bullish. The open interest is still high, so they think that will go up. Look at the IV is crazy, so high. The IV is so high. If you want, and if you really love Zela, you want to load up on a dip or something, I always say take a longer expiry date. If you have some money, you can take some call option for next year January. Not very expensive. $1 strike is only $41. If you believe that by next 316 days Zela will go over 1.41, then why not just take it, forget it, and just make some money. Anyway, I do not want to make a long video, but look at Zela, nice chart, and also HYMC. Keep an eye, whole day it moves. Since our alert in the morning, it is up by 154%. We ended here, it is still moving and moving. A very nice one to trade, and I'm so happy we got that one, and it hit the resistance right at 1.9. So if we get more volume, who knows, it can more even higher. So again, if you like this particular video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel. If you want to get access to my trading community, please join my Patreon, get access to my Discord, get all the alert, and let's make some money together. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.